Hi everybody and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay, today guys I'm going to show you how to make fake donuts. Yes, that's right guys, fake donuts. I know, amazing isn't it? Once you start making these you'll never stop, I'm sure. And there's so many different toppings you can make. But on this occasion I'm going to show you how to make 6 different toppers. So I'm going to show you how to make the actual fake donut, and then I'm going to show you how to make fake topping as well. So it's all going to be marvellous. So if you stick with me and watch all the clips, then you will understand what I mean and you'll be able to make it yourself. And if you do, please show me a picture of it because I'd love to see what you come up with. And in the future, I will make other tutorials on different toppers as well, using the same technique on making the donut. Now, you're probably saying, well, what are these donuts going to look like, Simon? Well, let me tell you. I've made some earlier, and here they are. So, you ready for this? Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da. There they are. Fake donuts. And don't they look absolutely marvellous? Now, I've got all different ones. Now, I'm showing you this on a plate because you could actually put this on your kitchen sideboard and worktop or whatever you've got, and or even on your coffee table. And you could show people these and they would think, I can't wait to tuck into them, but they won't be able to. And it's just for display purposes only. But I think they really do look yummy, don't they? Absolutely marvellous. Now, I will show you one by one, but I want to show you also what you can do with them. You can stick them on the wall like I've done at the back there, with different bits and pieces. You can put them on a plate, okay, like this, absolutely marvellous. And you can also do this. Now, let me just show you what I'm going to basically show you. Here we go. You could try this. This is just a little idea. You could stick them on a piece of board, like so, and then you could pop that on your wall. I can't tip it too far up, but hopefully you can see it because they're not stuck on and they will all fall off. And that wouldn't be wise of me to do that. But you can see it. So that's the main thing. Okay, so you could do that, or you could do this. I've got some of these, and I've never known what to do with them. I bought them ages ago, and I thought, what should I do with them? What should I do with them? Well, I've come up with this idea. You could actually stick a donut on them, and like this, like so. And then you could hang that on the wall. And you could do a few of them, all different toppers, all along a little theme in your kitchen, or anywhere else you want donuts. Or you can give them away as gifts. Absolutely marvellous, isn't it? Marvellous, yes. So there's one, and let me just show you another one. This is another one, like so. Okay, I'll put them down here, and you can see what they're like in a line. Can you see that? You can just. Okay, and this one as well. Okay. Okay, and like I said, in a minute I will show you, I'll explain to you what the actual toppers are. You might be thinking, they look good enough to eat, Simon, but what actually are they? Yeah, so here's this little trio, and you could see how that would look if you hang that up somewhere nice in your house. And yeah, or anyone that's running to donuts. I'm sure they'd be lovely gifts, lovely gifts. There you go. There it is again for you. Okay? Right. So that's that, guys. So let me just go through the 6 toppers I've made, and all the tutorials I put on are all individual. So if you like a particular tutorial on the chocolate spread and chocolate nuts like this one, then you can just go to that clip and watch that and learn how to make 50,000 of these, and then you can hang those up. So that's what this one is, guys. This is a chocolate spread with fake chocolates, okay? And there is a tutorial on its own just how to actually make the donuts in the first place, because that would help, because you need that to be able to make the toppers, because it wouldn't look very good without the actual donut. Okay? And all mine have holes in, because I like that, because I think a donut should have a hole, but you might not want to do that. So you can just fill the hole, okay? That's just the way you roll, isn't it? But hey, it's all art at the end of the day. So there you go, chocolate spread and chocolates, okay? Lovely. Next one we've got is this one. Now, do you know what this is? No? You do? Well, that's great. This is glazed A glazed one. Yes, you've got it. One of the easier ones to do for obvious reasons. But again, in the tutorial, there's one clip on how to make a glazed one. Okay, so there you go. That's the glazed one. Now we've got this one. Now this is very cute. Now this one I've called sugar crystals, that's the word, with some chocolates on. I won't say the brand because that would be plugging it, and apparently you're not allowed to do that unless you get a cut out of it. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. You know the ones I mean, don't you? So yeah, so that's that one. So that looks lovely, doesn't it? It all glistens. It's absolutely marvellous. Okay, and now this one. I like this one. This is very scrummy. Now, this is, can you tell what it is? This is like icing. So I've just spread some icing on there. Obviously it's fake, remember? And coconut. Sort of chopped coconut on there. And hopefully you can see it. I'll try not to move it too much and you can actually see it. Okay, and I'll show you on another clip how to do that. Now this one's a good one as well. There you go, that one. Now this one I've called sugar balls. That's right, sugar balls. And there's lemon, which is a yellow one, obviously. And then the white ones I've done vanilla, or you could do coconut balls, if there's such a thing. But it's up to you what you call your donut toppings. As long as it looks like the real thing, then that's the main thing at the end of the day, isn't it? It is, that's great, yeah. Okay, and the last one I'm going to do is this one. Now this is pink icing with sprinkles on the top. Now I've got to learn how to make some hundreds of thousands, but this one's actually sprinkles. And this is, I wonder if you can guess what they are made out of. Well, if you can't, follow the tutorial on the this one basically, and you'll find out exactly how to make that one. And if I stop messing about with it, you might be able to see it. So there you go. So that's all good, isn't it? You might actually see the, oh, look at that. You can see the line through it. Where do I have to go? Oh, there, look. How exciting is that? So you've got a line looking through your donut. I know, amazing. So there you go, guys. That's basically what you're going to learn how to make. So let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions, because I'm here to answer your questions, because I'm good like that, you know what I mean? It's just the way I roll. And yes, if you do make any, which you will do because you'll love them, you could always send me a little clip of you making them, or you could actually send me a picture with you on. And then I know what I've taught you actually works. And if you do any other toppings, fake toppings, and you think it'd be good to make a video out of it, let me know how you did it and I'll make a video of that. So there you go. So I'm going to go now because I'm waffling on a bit. I mean, we're 8 minutes in. Don't know whether you need to know that, but I'm going to tell you anyway. And yeah, and go from there. So hope you like this little clip to give you a little setup of what I'm going to do. And I'll stop going and just carry on. And stop going as well. Done it again. Yeah, there you go. It's just the way I roll, guys. So, like I said before, I don't cut any of my videos, so you see all warts and all. So if I make any mistakes, that's all part of it. And at the end of the day, we're all human. We all make mistakes, so it doesn't matter. Just have a good laugh. And this is all to do with art and having fun. So hopefully you've liked this little clip. Let me know in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. That's apparently what you have to do with all these YouTube clips. And I'll see you all in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.